All right guys, my name is Singh. I'm here at Jess Ford of Pullman, and today I'm going to show you guys how to pair up your garage door to your Homelink in your new Ford vehicle. So today I'm going to show you guys how to pair up your Homelink to your garage door opener. So you will be able to use your Ford vehicle to open up your garage and park your vehicle inside. Step 1. Clearing out your memory. Hold the left and right together at the same time until it rapid flashes. There you go. Which means your memory is clear. There's nothing paired up to any of those buttons now. So after you cleared out the memory of your Homelink, you want to grab your garage door opener, hold down the button that is paired up to your garage door opener at the same time as you hold down the button on one of your Homelinks. So I'm going to pair up the left one, and I'll hold down the garage door opener button at the same time until the light on your Homelink becomes solid. Thank you for watching. My name is Barry, and I'm here at Jess Ford of Pullman.